Perfect because I have the new collection from Bath and Body Works, and I can show you what they are. And if you're interested in any of them, then you can purchase them. So, and I love this collection. It's perfect for springtime. Okay, you want to see them? Okay, good. Okay, I will show you the first one in the collection. This one right here. It's called Gardenia and Fresh Rain. The bottles they all come like this with this design, like this pattern on it. And it's just a nice little body spray. If you like, you can keep them chilled in the fridge because sometimes that's nice because when you spray it on after it's been in the fridge, it's refreshing and it has a cooling effect. And it helps the perfume, the scent last longer, I think. So let's sample this and you tell me. Okay. Find out if you like it or not. I love it. It's very light and it's very pretty. Okay. Yeah, so this one is called Gardenia and Fresh Rain. And it does have that all this these scents from this new collection. It evokes sort of like a childhood's memories towards me, for me at least, because this is the type of scents that you would smell on perfumes you might have worn as a child. But again, they're all they're very light. They're not heavy at all. And this one just has a nice floral and rain type of effect. I just think it's really nice, just spray it on you after you take a shower. And spray some. It kind of reminds me of apple pie a little bit. I don't know. I know it's supposed to be a springtime, but I like it. So, okay, I'll just show you the next one. I love lavender. And this one is called Lavender and Spring Apricot. And lavender gives a very calming effect, but the apricot kind of gives it a fruity scent as well. So I will spray this on you. This one is like perfect, like if you go for a summer walk at night. That's what it makes me think of. But lavender, I've always loved lavender, so you can't go wrong with this. Yeah, I'll put this to the side and I'll show you the next one that we have. The next one is this. It's raspberry and sweet mint. And again, this is another fruit scent mixed with an herb. Mint, you can never go wrong with mint. So I will spray some so you can smell this. Okay, so do you like this one? So, do you like this one? Yeah, this is a good scent for a young girl too, but they all are, really. So, do you like the scent? Okay, yeah, I'll put this one away too. Okay, next we have, this is really fun, and if you have a younger daughter or somebody that they would like this, it's called Watermelon Lemonade, and it's just very nice. Like if you like watermelon, this one, let me spray it. Okay, oops, let me spray it. It really does smell like watermelon and lemonade, and this is a good, very light, so it's not too sweet, but it's really nice. And if you have, again, like a young girl that she would probably enjoy this. I think I like it. I mean, I use it. Okay. And the last one that I'm going to show you Basically, it's a florals, but it's a little bit different. And this one's called Pretty as Peach. I like this one a lot. I'll spray it. It smells like peach. I mean, and again, it reminds me of like a perfume that you might have had if you were younger. But this one is, this is nice. So, have you thought of anyone that you want, or you like them? You like all? You know what? I can give you a deal. I can give you. You buy 3, and you can get. I give you 2 free. So that means you just pay for 3 of them, and you get the whole collection if you're interested in that. And I can also give you a coupon. This coupon will give you a free little scent that you can just plug into your wall. And then I also have another coupon for you. You get 20% off of your next purchase at Bath and Body Works. So I can give you that if you're interested. I wanted to show you this really quick. I got this in the mail. I mean, it came in like this black packaging, and I'm like, I didn't order anything. What is this? It's Stop Board, and if you pull this out, it's a sample